How's it going, guys? So what this is I'm here right now at Nickelodeon land, right? For the main channel video about SpongeBob Rides that's probably out by the time. So I'm getting fudge, but I thought, hey, if I'm here, I might as well take advantage of that and also do like a full walk around for the second channel, because that's extra content. Here's just a little overview. I'm gonna clarify that I don't know what I'm filming right now because I can't see the screen, and I don't know how the audio is gonna turn out, but yeah, we'll have a little walk down here. What I will say is it's incredibly busy here today, right now, which is not an ideal circumstance, I don't think. It's also like June, and that's like prime school trip season, which is also bad because not only is it busy, but there's loads of children here, which sucks. I guess it is an amusement park. I don't know. It's exactly what you'd expect, really, but yeah, this is a little path down into the Nickelodeon area here. There we have the Avatar ride. First ride we have here is the Fairly Odd Parents one.
Are you sure? Yeah.
There's Cosmo and Wanda up there. It's not going right now, but yeah. Interestingly, there's no presence of Timmy Turner on the Fairly Odd Parents ride. Just thought that was interesting. Obviously based all around Fairy World there. I don't know if I mentioned this. This is the second time I've been here on video, because I went here for my video Nickelodeon's Forgotten Theme Park in like 2025, like February 2025, when it was cold and rainy outside. But I started to go on the water ride because I needed footage of it, which was not a fun experience. It'd be better today, but I don't even need footage of the log flume ride on account of the fact it's like I've already made that video. There it is though. So here's SpongeBob Splashback. There's like 3 SpongeBob rides, they're all in this area here. Got the Krusty Krab order up there, which is a little drop tower that I unfortunately can't ride because, well, one time, I haven't tried since, it was many moons ago, but I did try and ride it and I got told I was too tall, so I'm just not going to bother, which is quite the upsetting news. We have SpongeBob Splash Bash over here. The second SpongeBob Splash Bash to be opened in 2011. First one opened in 2007. So this is the second one here. It looks kind of different to the original one. There's a little section you can stand here. So yeah, the goal is to squirt people on the ride. As you can sort of see here, that is what is occurring. I can squirt from here with this, but I don't know if it works. Also, both hands are occupied right now. I wonder if any of them can hit me. Let's see. He looked like he was going to, but he didn't. It's really warm. I'd quite like to be, honestly. I'm chill with it. Come on, man. No? Okay. Anyway, we've got SpongeBob up there on Mystery the Seahorse. Yeah, look at him. There we go. That's beautiful. Right? That feels incredible on this warm summer's day. Patrick here holding a jellyfish in there. Various jellyfish around, obviously, as well. What I noticed in making the video is fully scripted but not like edited yet, is there is a lot of jellyfish themed rides, which I guess makes sense. It's a huge part of the show. Okay, it's stopped now. Yeah, moving on. So next, yeah, Krusty Krab order up here. You can see it's a Krusty Krab themed drop tower. Yeah. Looking at the my bottom here, we can see inside the restaurant many background fish present here. Also, good look at the menu there. What I find interesting about the Krusty Krab is, despite Mr. Krab supposedly liking money so much, he's not increased the prices at all. Like the Krusty Krab menu is fairly reasonably priced, considering Mr. Krab's character. Anyway, there's the Bikini Bottom bus tour. Another one of these is present at the Land of Legends in Turkey under a different name. Yeah, that's just the bus from Bikini Bottom. We'll see it in action in a minute, hopefully. And the backdrop of Bikini Bottom there. Another look at SpongeBob Splash Bash from a different angle here. There's another cannon over there, which is interesting. There's also the shop. I'll go in there. Yeah, there's that. Oh, and there's also Dora's World Voyage over here, which is closed and I think has been for a while from what I've seen. So that's unfortunate. Admittedly, doesn't really affect much. I wasn't really planning to ride, but yeah. Next streak over here, the wooden roller coaster that is quite loud. Originally opened in about the 1930s. Obviously, wasn't Nickelodeon themed then. Another look at the log flume here. You can see the drop there from a different angle. That's all good. Yeah, there it goes. Okay, the ride cycle's happening now. So yeah, it goes up, it goes round, and eventually it will spin, it will go the other way. Yeah, wicked stuff. We'll walk back around here now, look at the other area. This area is where all the SpongeBob rides are. There's 3 of them. Interestingly, another notable thing here is that out of every property that has a ride here, SpongeBob's the only one that's still ongoing because it opened. The place opened about 15 years ago. Got the snack shack there. SpongeBob themed little snack area. Interesting stuff. We'll have a look in the shop. We'll have a look in the window first, and then we'll have a look in the shop. I would imagine I'd be buying many a thing in here. The window display is quite dead, actually. Like, it looks like there could be something here, and there's not. There I am. Oh, my hair's not flat. That's really quite annoying. There are SpongeBob plushies there and stuff. Sandy cushions, Patrick plushies. And then over here, this is cool. We have not Lego SpongeBob, Mega Block SpongeBob, because I mean, at the time this was built, Mega Bloks would have had the exclusive SpongeBob license. They don't anymore, which is interesting. I wonder what's. I'm curious to see what's going to happen there. Okay, there's the sign. I could probably stand back. I'll get a better shot. That's worse because it's obscured, actually. Yeah, there's the sign. Go have a look inside. Why not? Whoa. Whole drink section. Yeah, I guess these plushies seem to be selling well. It's quite a empty section. Damn. I got Ninja Turtle stuff here because Nick owned Ninja Turtles, don't they? But there's no like rides of them present here. They have a big section of the merch store, but not a single ride. I think because the park opened in 2011. But fortunately, they do have Chimpanzini Bananini. I assume they would have had Triple T at some point, but considering he's the most popular, he's probably sold out. Why do they have this, actually? Good job I can pick up the Ballerina Cappuccino plush. Oh, what's this? Extreme Brain Rot build blocks. Right, well that's awesome. Why do they sell that? I guess money. It is probably the most popular thing with kids. And this is a children's park, so... Oh, we have the Build a Bob section here. I want to do this. You build your own SpongeBob with these little parts and stuff. You put it in a bucket and you buy it. So that's pretty cool. I may have to do that and put it on a shelf. Also, all the music they play in here is like Nickelodeon music, which makes sense. I think they're playing Big Time Rush right now. Oh, here we go. Here's the SpongeBob section. It's kind of a small section of the store, interestingly. Got these, like, metal plates you put on the wall. Krusty Krab, Krabby Patty since 1999. 1999 obviously being the year SpongeBob came out. Got these silver ingots here. Those are quite cool. Might have to pick one of those bad boys up. Got a lot of Patrick plushies, like a whole wall of them. More sandy cushions as well. I do have this Patrick plush already, so I won't be picking that up. Oh, and we have mystery pin badges. Quite a few mystery pin badges. And then various things here, like a pencil case, a badge, keyring, bottle opener. I think that's it. We got this giant display here. Where can I acquire that? Where can I acquire the giant SpongeBob statue? I low-key want to have that. Put that in my, like, bedroom or garden. Oh, there we go. Ferry wheel taxi wheels spinning around now. There it is in action. We'll have a little walk over here now. Here we have Blue Flyer. Another coaster that was open since 1934, that one. Other one was 1933. I don't fit on that, so we're not going to be riding, but not themed specifically around anything like Nick, just blue. It's just blue. Diego's Rainforest Rescue. You sit in like hot air balloons and you spin around. But obviously based off of Go Diego Go, the Dora spin-off. And then we have Paw Patrol Quads, which Paw Patrol came out in 2013, right? So this was put in after the fact because of the immense popularity of the show. It's like an extra thing. You see there, £2.50. I swear it's £2 when I went in like 2025. Actual inflation's hitting hard. We have Wonder Pets Big Circus Bounce, a show that is quite dead. Oh, we can meet SpongeBob at 3 PM. Then we have the Backyardigans Pirate Treasure, which interestingly, there is a SpongeBob ride that is exactly like the same ride as this, but it's been rethemed to SpongeBob, which is interesting. Coming up to the end now. There's a big sign there. There's the key for Avatar Airbender. It's wrapping out there.
I know, but like, we just...
I think that concludes everything.